Hoping you watch this video in my YouTube channel. I guess you've had basic knowledge regarding isometric projection, and with this video I'm sure you better your understanding with regards to isometric projection and lots more videos to come in LOK concept. But for those that have not watched this video, please do well to visit my YouTube channel LOK concept, go to the homes and check on this particular video, and after watching that you can also watch this one so that you can have more knowledge with regards to isometric projection and lots more on the LOK concept. With the help of these two videos, I'm sure you will have a better understanding as a beginner when drawing isometric projection, and with more videos to come on LOK concept, I'm sure you will have better understanding and be more better when drawing isometric projection. So do well to sit back and relax and enjoy this video. Let's go. So we'll come to this other part here. Then we have also draw vertical line of 2 cm. So mark 1, 2. So we'll come to this other part here. Then vertical line of 2 cm.
Put a little bit of chin, put a little bit of chin.
Here and mark off one line of 1 cm. Instead of what to just draw a line anyhow, just come here, mark off 1 cm. Total distance from here to here 6 cm, and distance from here to here is 2 cm, and this is where the block stops, continues from here. So what we do is, since here is 6 minus 2 is 4, so here will be 4 cm. So first mark our 1 cm rather. This is giving us 1 cm. Good. So come here, then from the back side draw 4 cm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Then after doing 4 cm, we draw this part too. And here is also giving us 4 cm. Plus here the extra space is 1, which is total of 5, so corresponding with this. At this part, draw a vertical line. here it's giving us total of 5, so draw 5 centimeter. We have our 5 centimeter. We also come here and draw 5 centimeter, the vertical line of 5 centimeter. So we'll come to this point and pin and mark as 2 centimeter here. After marking that, we'll extend the line upwards. Five centimeter to like others. Join this point here. Here is 2 centimeter, so we'll first come to this part, mark it, we divide it into 2 here. Then this part will extend it, as we draw a line of 30 degrees, which is 4 centimeter. So come here, mark of 30 degrees, then so this is it. Then this other one is giving us here, is giving us 2 centimeter. So this other part here 2 centimeter, so here it's giving us 2 centimeter. So at this point draw a line of 2 centimeter. After doing that, then we'll join these 2 points together from here to here. After doing this, then join these other ones, these 2 together. Good. So it depends on how you want to draw. That will determine how your work will start, how it will end, how you will construct. The procedures or the ways in which I'm drawing to have my block is different from the procedure other people will draw their block, but we'll still have the same results. So you can follow mine. Point is, you need to first understand what you are giving before you be able to decipher how to draw the given block. So here we're having 2 centimeter, then we'll join it together with this one. So what I'll just do to have my 2 centimeter is, since here is 3 centimeter and here I'm having 1 centimeter, so from here I'll just pin or mark off 2 centimeter from here. So that I'll do. So from this straight line I'll just mark off 2 centimeter, which is here. Good. So I'm not drawing to draw, I'll just mark it off. So we are having this, enough for us to get the shape, and this other part is going to be 2 centimeter. So I'll just first draw. I'll now draw a 2 centimeter from here in order to have this part. So you draw 2 centimeter from here, so we are able to have this part. So we'll now join this part here. Then place that part together. Good. So this other part is giving us the same thing. So we'll first extend this line. So your mind is not entering. As I would suggest when drawing, you need to make sure your work is either at the center of your drawing paper or below your drawing paper. So depending on the shape, if it's something that you know is going to be long or tall, so I prefer you keep it at the bottom of your drawing paper.
1.5 cm. So this first draw, so it's not able to enter. So we come here and have our 1.5 centimeter. So it's 1.5 here. Then we'll join these two parts together. So that's what we are giving. Then so that part here we have 30 degrees. So just draw 30 degrees into that part. Draw a line of 1 centimeter. This is line of 1 centimeter. Then we'll join it together. So like I said before, everybody have their own method or procedures of doing their given block. So you need to first study your work, then be able to decipher how to start your work if to give a successful ending. So it will be preferable you start your work below or the down part of your A4 paper, so that you will not have the same mistake I'm having here. So I'm apologizing for this, so sorry about it. This is the block and we are done with drawing this block. So I hope you like the video. If you have any questions regarding how to draw this block, there are some things you are not able to get correctly while drawing your block, you not really understand my drawing process, please don't fail to visit the comment section and ask your questions there, and I'll be willing to answer your questions. So just go to the comment section, whatever question you have, just hit the comment section, ask your questions. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.